Hey tribe, Dawna here with Transformational Healing, and today I wanted to give you a guided meditation, but I just wanted to stop in and say hello before we start that meditation. So make sure that you take some time to get yourself into a comfortable place before the meditation starts. And you could stand for this meditation if that is comfortable for you, or sit or even lie down. Some people do have a hard time doing the tree meditation when they are lying down and like to sit up more comfortably. You can do a recliner, that sort of thing. But sometimes when people are lying down, they have expressed to me that they have a little bit more difficulty using this form of grounding meditation. So it's a grounding and centering meditation. If you're not sure what grounding and centering are, there are a couple of videos about the difference between grounding and centering and how it can affect your health on the channel. So be sure to check those out, and I'll be sure to link them down below. But let's get started. This meditation is for grounding and centering, and also helps you to create a protective shield around yourself. This is only one of hundreds, if not thousands, of ways that you can ground and center your energy. I call this one the tree method, and many people have great success using this method for grounding and centering. Visualize that you are like a tree. Breathe and relax. Just take a nice couple of deep breaths. Breathe in and out. Breathe in a little bit of peace and calmness. And breathe out all of your stress and worries about the day. Just let it all go. And feel your energy roots sinking into the ground. They are seeking further and further, deeper into the ground. Just breathe and relax and breathe those roots further and deeper into the ground. Feel your body completely relax, and just focus on your breath and focus on the roots of your tree. These roots can go through each and every layer of the earth, and even all the way to the core, or the magma just outside of the core, if you want. Or you could just send them very, very deep into really cold and clear water, if that feels better for you. You breathe and relax. And breathe in that warm magma or cool water. And you feel the energy of the earth coming back up through your roots. Draw that energy up with your roots all the way up into your body. That earth energy comes into your body through your base chakra, and it moves through all of the chakras the core of your body from the bottom and to the top, and just breathe it in. And when it reaches your crown chakra at the top of your head, it comes out, showering around you like a fountain, like a waterfall, back down to the ground, forming a beautiful bubble of energy around you. And just breathe and feel that energy. Now reach mentally with your branches out the top of your head for the center of the universe, for source. Tap into the universal life force energy at the center of the universe. Draw that energy down through your crown chakra at the top of your head and feel it washing away anything negative as it makes its way down through you and out the base chakra and out your feet. Breathe in that beautiful, pure energy. And as that energy comes out and comes out of your feet, it goes below the ground, but it comes back up and around you to the top like an upside down waterfall or fountain, creating yet another layer of that bubble around you. Both of these energies, Mama Earth and the universe, flow through you all the time, but you just don't pay attention to them. And sometimes we may have a blockage that can slow down the flow or disconnect us. So just breathe and clear that passage. This exercise connects you back in, and it allows you to tap into the energy and make protective shields around yourself. So breathing in the energy, it comes in both directions and comes out on the other side and forms a big protective ball of energy around you. So just breathe that energy in and breathe that energy stronger, nice and relaxed. This exercise connects you back in and allows you to tap into the energy to make these protective shields. It is the basis for everything that you will learn to do with energy and intention. The energies flowing around you or your aura can be protected by the flowing energies that come out and around. They form an egg or a ball around your energy field. You have 7 chakras. In the middle of these is the heart chakra. Breathe energy into your heart chakra right now. You can feel the moving energies swirling and mixing and forming a ball at your heart chakra as you focus on it. Let that energy build. Focus it. Breathe slowly and deeply into that energy. It is the energy that we use when we help others with intuitive healing. It is the energy that you can use to take just one breath and form an instant ritual circle or protective space around yourself. Feel that energy expanding from your heart until it forms a big egg or ball all the way around you. With practice, you can tap in and feel this energy with just a few breaths. Breathe in and pull up the earth energy. Breathe out and feel universal energy connect. Breathe in and pull down the universal life force energy and build your ball. And breathe out. And you can have full shields. Just like that. But it will take a bit of practice to be able to just breathe and to feel it all fall into place. It truly is there all of the time, but actively focusing on it will activate those shields with intention until you develop other fun ways to make and create those shields for yourself. So use this video to help you to connect. I'll be sure to mark the beginning of the meditation so that you can skip right to it. And just breathe, visualize, intend, connect, be mindful, and go about your wonderful day. Many blessings, tribe. I hope that this guided visualization helped you. There are many other guided meditations on the channel for different reasons. I hope that you enjoy them, and I hope that you check them out. Many blessings, and I'll see you real soon.